So today, I will show you how to play Killer in Dead by Daylight. First, click on the play button to enter the matchmaking menu. Next, choose the Killer option to start playing as a killer. After that, pick the character you want to play. Each killer has unique skills and abilities, so choose one that fits your playstyle. Once you've selected your character, click Play to enter the lobby. In the lobby, click Ready and wait for the other players to ready up as well. Once the match starts, your goal is to hunt the survivors. Make sure to eliminate them before they repair all the generators, which would allow them to escape. Use your killer's special skills strategically to track, chase, and catch the survivors more efficiently. And that's it. That's how you play Killer in Dead by Daylight.